up and down like a pogo. Hands up like a pogo. Your love is divine. It never subsides. Seen through creative manifestations. That's been through your generations. Never failed me, never failed me. From the beginning of time, I will come running to you. I will always come running to you. I will come running to you. I will even coming to you, cause your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Additional minus. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Additional minus. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3.
I wonder how it felt to cross the Red Sea after Israel was set free. Oh, what a crazy sight to see. It might have sounded like impossibility, but the supernatural ability has been made available for you and me. Father, Son, Spirit be the Trinity. I got a lot of angels all in my vicinity. Just like Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego, put their trust in Jehovah and never let go. Got the fourth man in the fire saying hello. Yeah, Jesus in the fire saying hello. 24 elders, they'll be casting crowns. At the mention of their name, every knee shall bow. If God is for me, who can stop me now? It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Your love don't divide.
Your love don't divide.
I just pumped 1 ounce. I also changed my flange size as well, and this is also 1 ounce. I think this is like a little over 1 ounce. But I also changed my flange size because I felt like I think I had size 19 in here before, but I changed it to 21 because I felt like with my boobs getting bigger as the milk is coming in, my nipples are getting bigger. I don't know. So I don't feel like I was getting that good of an output with the 19 flange size. And I'm also thinking about trying a different pump. If I try this for like the rest of the week and it still doesn't work, I just feel like I could be getting more out of here, but I'm not. I don't know. I'm still just trying stuff out, y'all. So I'll keep you updated, of course. Y'all cannot believe yesterday that I did that with the pump when I wasted all that milk. Like literally, please do not do what I did yesterday. I poured it out of here instead of here, and this is where it pours out of. Like, please. And I felt so bad because I'm like, oh my god, I told everyone in that video, my hospital, I told everyone in my last video or the video before that I was showing y'all the pump, that was the way to do it. And I just feel bad because I'm like, I hope no one like watches it and then do what I did and then all their milk spills out like me. We are at, he's only 48 hours old. I've only been pumping since last night. And we already got 6 ounces of milk. But once this gets to 10 ounces, I'm gonna end up putting it in the pitcher. But since I've already got stuff started in here, I'm gonna just keep this one going. When we get True from school, we're gonna go to the park. So I'm definitely gonna need to bring one of these bottles. No, I got his bone thing in the diaper bag, never mind. Me and True love these. I'm doing these strawberries. Chobani, Greek yogurt, strawberry banana. I never tried the strawberry banana. I always do the peach or mango. Those are my favorite. Let's try it. That breastfeeding hunger is crazy. I was nervous that I wouldn't have an appetite because of Mark and True. When I tried to breastfeed, I could not eat. But I've been so hungry and so thirsty. Right now I'm just editing a video my labor and delivery vlog. And then after that, I'm gonna take a shower because we had to get True from school at 3. It's gonna be 80 degrees today. This is the first hot day in Ohio for us. So we're gonna pick up True from school. We're gonna go to the park, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. I gotta pick up my prescription for like my stool softener. Don't forget to take that stool softener. I'm telling you right now. I don't care. Don't forget to take it. I need to pick up my stool softener. I need to pick up my Motrin and Tylenol. And then we're gonna grab stuff to make stuff for dinner. I'm gonna make salmon for myself, broccoli and potatoes. I don't know what they're gonna eat. My man don't like stuff like that, but I know salmon's really good for breast milk. So I'm trying to be healthy. I also want to grab this thing off the diaper bag. It's like a sound machine for the baby. I'm gonna put this on next to him while he's taking his nap. Right, y'all, so we are back home. We just went to the grocery store. True is finally meeting his brother.
Hi.
We went to the grocery store though after we got True from school to get stuff to make for dinner. And y'all, walking around that store was probably a mistake. I really feel like I'm not, well, I know I'm not healed yet, and they said I'm not supposed to be doing any like big movement or nothing. And so like immediately after, but I don't know how to sit still, but I definitely needed to take a break because my head was hurting, my body was hurting. But I just took my ibuprofen, so that should help with my headache. And like my back was hurting when I was walking, so that should help. But the baby just woke up. He actually did really good, y'all. He did really, really good at the store.
Now can we hold him?
True wants to hold him so bad. Let me see your hands real quick. I gotta clean your nails, I think. Your nails are dirty. Let me see. Yeah, your nails are. I gotta clean your nails first, okay? But True has been very interested in the baby, so he is gonna.
Mom gotta clean my nails.
Yes, I am. Are you excited to meet your baby brother? Are you excited to hold him? Is he just so cute?
Okay, come on in.
Yeah, I will. Give me 1 second. I gotta burp the baby. The baby has to burp.
You can't burp.
He's gonna burp. But Bay is cooking. They're gonna do chicken breasts and broccoli and potatoes.
Monkey
You
burp.
heard him? He just burped. Did you hear him?
Not here.
And I'm gonna do salmon because they say salmon really helps with your milk supply. And then I also got stuff to make a salad for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do like a salmon salad tomorrow. So that's gonna be good. But Mark has a spelling bee contest tomorrow. So I gotta be to the school. They said doors open at 9:45. So I'm gonna head up there in the morning. And watch spelling bee. Careful. But anyway, so I just talked to the lactation consultant. She just called me to check on me to see how I've been doing with breastfeeding. And she was basically saying like when he's eating to make sure that like he gets up so that you can offer him both sides of the boob and that he really empties it out. Like I said, my left side is completely empty. Like I feel like it's very like he did what he's supposed to do, but on my right side it's full. But what I've been doing after each feeding is just pumping out my right side and using that to like build my stash. But she don't think I should do that. So May's right here. But I don't know, y'all. So I'm just trying to figure out this pumping schedule. I want to build a stash.
I like that socks.
It's so cute. You need to wake up. Oh, he needs diaper change too.
Okay, baby.
Yeah.
He burned.
Wait. Aww. Leave that on.
Mom, I can't.
Oh.
These nails clean, these nails dirty. Mom, these nails dirty.
Yes. You just gotta be patient. I wonder if he would sit in the swing down here. Yeah. Because he's sleeping right. You waking up?
Been drowned in mountains in the sea. Almost scriptures, dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. It's that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's a mood that I said it right. We're gon' feel right. We gon' do this right. And we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, we gon' be alright. It's that good news. Don't worry about me. Jesus got me. I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's your face.
Down for the count. You gon' be through more rounds. Through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. I got you direct like a connector. I know your ring won't let up. 'Cause you get it all. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. You all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. They thought I was lost, now I'm found. All of the ways you allowed. Through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. I got you direct like a nectar. I know your ring won't let up. 'Cause you get it all. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I?
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come in this place. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Won't you please come? Please come. Won't you please come? And we say, amen, 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 amen. Amen, 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 amen. Yeah. Amen, 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 amen. Amen, 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 amen. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us of all our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, the glory, forever and ever. We say, amen, 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 amen. Amen, 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 amen. Yeah. Amen, 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 amen. Amen, 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 amen.